Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a Cadillac SRX. We're going to start right away up front where you have the front parking sensors. We're going to take a look down the passenger side now. You have chrome wheels wrapped with Michelin tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a panoramic sunroof and a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera on the back. Taking a look in the hatch, there's plenty of storage room here in the hatch. You also have a power assist lift gate, so simply the press of that button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Full touchscreen, that includes your stereo and navigation. Dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Cadillac on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.